Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. As you know, I was explaining the indefinite states of passive voice yesterday, but today I am going to explain the continuous state and then after the perfect states. And you all know that how to convert from active to passive voice. The first thing is that first of all you have to identify tenses, and the second step is that after identifying the tenses, what you have to do, you have to write the receiver of the action, and then after the doer of the action will become the object of the preposition. Let us see some examples how to change from active to passive voice of the continuous state. See students, my uncle is writing a novel. First of all, identify the tense. Is writing. Is the first form and writing is the fourth form. It means first form will represent present time. First form will represent present time. And continuous, the fourth form will represent state. Which state? Continuous state. Continuous state. And that is why this sentence will become present continuous. This sentence will become present continuous. So here is present continuous tense, and you have to change from active to passive voice. What you have to do? See. Friends, this is continuous state, and we all know that here is your object. Here is your object, and here is your subject. Object is, it is the receiver of action. It is the receiver of action, and the receiver of action will become the subject while changing from active to passive voice. So right here a novel. A novel is so a novel is being written by my uncle. This is the passive voice of the given sentence. My uncle is writing a novel. See, a novel is being written by my uncle.
Yes.
Now see students, this is your third form. As I told you, while changing from active to passive voice, you always need third form of the verb. You always need third form of the verb while changing from active to passive voice. And what is the use of this word? It will express continuous state. So while changing from active to passive voice, you always need to write, if the state is continuous, you always write being. No matter which state it is. It is present continuous or past continuous or any continuous is that. You have to write being. Okay? So a novel is being written by my uncle. This is the passive voice of the sentence. Let us see some more examples. Now see, they are playing Ludo in the park. So how do we change the sentence? First of all, you need to write the receiver of the action, mean to say the object. This is your object and this is your verb and this is your subject. And what is this? This is additional information. Additional information, and you have nothing got to do with the additional information. Just you need to write the receiver of the action. It means to say your object will become the subject of the sentence. So Ludo will come first, and Ludo is the singular of the sentence. That is why Ludo is, and right here being, as I mentioned, Ludo is being played. Ludo is being played by them in the park. In the park. Ludo is being played by them in the park. Okay students, let us see some more examples. Let us see some more examples. That is students, this is your past continuous, as here is the second form and it is your continuous state. So let us change the sentence. The cat was licking the milk. First of all, what you have to write? The milk. The milk is your object and this is your verb and this is your subject. Let's change the sentence. So first of all, what you look at? The milk was being the milk was being licked by the cat. I think I forgot writing the being form. As I have given you the examples of what I was giving the examples. Some students were playing Ludo in the park, something like that. If I forgot writing being, you have to insert being in the previous sentence. Okay. So the milk was being licked by the cat. See, being is compulsory while changing from active to passive voice if the state is continuous. Always keep in mind. भूलिएगा मत उसको, क्योंकि बीइंग का लगाना बहुत जरूरी है. शायद मैंने इससे पहले वाले सेंटेंस में लगाना भूल गया था, देख लीजिएगा. एक्चुअली मैं मिस करके मैंने देखा नहीं, हो सकता लगाया भी हूँ. So this is the past continuous state. Let us see some more examples. Now see, the children were teasing the dog in the street. First of all, you have to identify where is the object given. The object is just after the verb. Now look at here. It is your verb, and just after the verb, it is your object. ये आपका object है. And what is this? This is your additional information. You have nothing got to do with the additional information while changing from active to passive voice. And this is what? This is your subject. Students say in most of the cases while changing from active to passive voice, if the subject is the doer, always write by. Okay? Always write by if the subject is your doer. So let us see the examples of this sentence. The dog will come first. So the dog is your it's singular, so you have to write was. The dog was being teased. The dog was being teased by the children in the street. I hope you all understood how to change from active to passive voice. अगर किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन होगा तो मुझे मैसेज कर देगा, टेक्स्ट कर देगा, and I will try to make a next video on this, so as you understand very well. Thank you so much for watching this video.